Today on the program, we're going to be staying at a beautiful Airbnb in the middle of the California desert. So this place is actually just outside of Joshua Tree National Park. So it took me about 3.5 hours to get here from my home in Las Vegas, and I'm just really looking forward to being in the middle of nowhere and enjoying the stars at night, middle of the desert. This place is pretty neat. We found it on Airbnb and thought it'd make for an awesome video, so we're gonna show you guys around, show you the experience. But let's start with a tour of everything that we have here. So inside the Airstream here, this is the bedroom. Moving on, we have the shower. And there's one outside. Bathroom. Full-size kitchen here with a stove and everything. We have another flat screen. You have your table, couch, a couple fans, and more windows here. Pretty good setup here. Real quick, before I continue this video, I need to thank the sponsor of this video, GLD. GLD is an amazing men's jewelry line, and they have so many awesome products. They were nice enough to not only sponsor me, but to send me 2 of their necklace pieces, one that I'm rocking right now, and I don't plan on taking off anytime soon. They have an amazing offer for you guys, so if you hit the link below, I have links in the description, in the comments, all everywhere, and you use my promo code Pompsie, you'll save 33% off on any piece that you want on their website. 33% off with my promo code. So if you're interested in men's jewelry, go ahead, check out their website. They have so many pieces to choose from, whether it's necklace pieces, wrist pieces, and much, much more. So check it out. Use the promo code Pompsie, save 33% off, and level up your look with GLD. Thank you, GLD, for sponsoring me, supporting me, and level up your look with GLD. All right, let's get back to the video now. So outside the Airstream, we have a lot of cool things. We have the table, we have your grill, some cool seating areas. But by far, the #1 attraction here is this suspended outdoor bed. So this is really made for stargazing. Check this out. It's a little wet because it rained earlier, but besides that, great.
Also have these little light containers with a solar panel up here. So at night you can use these as lights.
Oh, okay. I honestly didn't realize what those were.
Yeah, they're cool.
There's a few of them. There's a couple over there too. We also have the outdoor soaking tub, and we have the outdoor shower. This is cool, right?
That's so cool. I want to take a shower. Get all wet real quick.
All right, sun has set. And all of these outdoor lights kicked on automatically. Look how cool this is. Right there. Right here. Right here. It's so quiet out here that earlier I was using my AirPods and I could not distinguish between noise cancellation mode and noise transparency mode because there's no sound out here to cancel out. So I really like that. Just a little bit of some wind, but besides that, no noise pollution. So on 3 of the 4 sides, there's basically nothing in every direction. It's just desert and mountains and sky. But on the one side to the left, like when you walk out of the Airstream and look left, there is a storage unit. It's a locked storage unit from the owners, I guess. They have supplies and things like that, which is kind of right next to the Airstream. But then about 200 or 300 feet from that, you have a school bus type Airbnb type thing. I don't know if that is an Airbnb in itself or it's being worked on or whose that is or someone lives there. I don't know, but besides that, there's nothing around. What are you doing?
I don't know. I'm just enjoying the quiet. It's like 100% opposite of the Las Vegas Strip right now.
That's so true.
I feel like a new person.
So it is pitch black out here. If it wasn't for these lights around here, you wouldn't be able to see anything but the stars. Thank God I have this camera. This camera has amazing low light sensitivity, so I have the low light settings cranked up so you can kind of see. But we actually can see some of the stars. The clouds have kind of moved out of the way, so we're gonna go and go to that bed, this suspending bed, and look at the stars. Just look straight up. How is it?
It's beautiful. I wish I could recognize any of the constellations, but I can't.
You don't know the Big Dipper or Little Dipper? They look like a teapot, like a spoon thing.
I know them, but I don't see them.
Where's the dipper? I can't. All right, ladies and gents, time to go to sleep. I'll see you in the morning. Transmission. So before going to sleep last night, Greta and I found this awesome magazine inside, and it just has a couple different things you can do in Joshua Tree. And we're gonna check out this art installation. We saw that there's an art installation that's only 17 minutes from this location. So before going back to Vegas, we're gonna check out this transmission art installation in the middle of the desert. Just some cool artwork in the middle of the desert. I slept really well last night, besides some bugs. There's more bugs here than Vegas. But man, it's cool out here. Oh, before we go to the art installation, there's one thing I really didn't mention. There is a lot of impressive storage here. So right here, got your plates, your bowls, cooking pots. So this pops open. Closet here. Look at that. That just slides out. Cutting boards and stuff like that. Storage here. Storage here in the bedroom. Yeah, right here too. Alright, we made it to the sculpture. Alright, so you can't walk right up to the sculpture. We're about, I don't know, a few hundred feet away. Transmission by Daniel Popper. Conceived within the minds of owner Morgan Brown and artist Daniel Popper, she stands a majestic 28 feet tall. Fully realized, she is concrete evidence that we are all divine and are all one. And some more, there's more words, but that's the basic gist of this piece. Now that is an exquisite, beautiful piece. I'm just a little bummed I couldn't go up close and get a picture, you know, right next to the sculpture, but it's understandable. They probably want to preserve it as much as they can, avoid people vandalizing it and things like that. So we got a long car ride ahead of us, but one quick announcement, an exciting announcement. So from now on, every single month on the 23rd of the month, I'll be picking a random subscriber and sending them $1,000. So all you got to do is subscribe. So click the red button right now, and every month you have a shot. So that's pretty cool, right? Giving back to you guys. So just click subscribe. Thanks.